This is Purnima Devi. Hi, this is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss about the data mapping. So data mapping is a process of matching fields from one database to another. It is the first step to facilitate data migration, data integration, and other data management tasks. Before the data to be analyzed for business insights, it must be homogeneous in a way that it makes it a decision makers. So as mapping analyst, you prep you we must prepare maps and create spatial data sets and maintain databases for company. So in this data mapping, for some examples for linking customers id across databases, transforming product data into a standardized format, or mapping medical records for securing sharing between the data. So the material or graphical support that tries to make evident and easy to identify the pattern, trends, and the domain. So in this data mapping, it refers the process of associating or linking data points from one data set to another, or converting data from one format or structure to another to derive insights, pattern, or relationships. It is a crucial step transforming raw data into a valuable information. There are several data mappings. So the data mapping involves associating fields in one data set with those in another data set, typically to ensure the consistency or facilitate integration between different sources. So so mapping customers id in one data set to another one data mapping customers id in one database to customer records in another, mapping product categories from one system to another. It is the analysis or reporting. The purpose is to enable seamless data integration between systems, formats, or domains, that will ensuring that the data from various sources align in a consistent way for analyzing of these processes. So some tools like ETL, that is extract transform load, platforms such as Talent, Informatia, and Apache NiFi are used for mapping the data to, and also it ensure the data flows correctly between the systems. So in machine learning, mapping refers to transforming or converting few raw features, that is data attributes, into the form that is usable by an algorithm. For example, encoding categorical data into numerical values, or applying transformations to features. So one hot encoding, for example, the mapping the categorical variables into a binary vectors, or the normalization process is mapping numerical data into the better performance in machine. The main purpose is to ensure that the data is in right format and scale for use by algorithm, improving model accuracy. So the next is geospatial mapping. It is a mapping involves plotting data on a geographic map. This include mapping coordinates to visual representation of geographical areas such as cities, countries, or region. Mapping sales by region to identify trends in customer behavior. Plotting locations of stores or users to optimize the logistic scales or marketing efforts. The main purpose is to visualize the spatial data to uncover patterns or insights related to a geography, such as regional trends, areas of opportunity, or optimization of routes and locations. The transforming of mapping is refers to process of applying specific transformations to data to fit the desired format, structure, or model. So it is the part of data pre-processing stage in data analytics. It also used to convert date time field from one format to another, and converting financial data from one currency to another based exchange data, to ensure that the data is transformed in proper format for analysis, reporting, and matching learning machine learning methods. Thank you.